Building AI systems is one thing, but building scalable cloud AI pipelines that can handle massive data and growing workloads is a completely different challenge. In this guide, I'll show you how to build scalable cloud AI pipelines step by step in 2026. First, let's quickly understand what an AI pipeline actually means. Basically, it's a workflow that handles collecting data, processing it, training AI models, deploying predictions, and monitoring results automatically. Next, choose a cloud platform that supports AI and large-scale data processing. Popular choices include Google Cloud AI, Microsoft Azure AI, and Amazon Web Services. Every AI pipeline starts with data, so you need a reliable system for collecting information from databases, APIs, IoT devices, applications, or business platforms. Once collected, store the data in scalable cloud storage systems. This helps your pipeline handle growing datasets without slowing down performance. Once your pipeline is live, monitor everything carefully. Track data flow, model accuracy, processing speed, infrastructure health, and cloud costs regularly. Finally, secure your AI pipeline with encryption, access controls, backups, and monitoring tools to protect both data and infrastructure. And that's your full guide on how to build scalable cloud AI pipelines in 2026. Hopefully now you have a better understanding of how modern AI systems are designed to process data efficiently at enterprise scale.